What is that?
Tigers.
What is it?
Tigers.
Oh. What's this one?
River.
What?
Boom.
What is it?
Tigers. Tigers.
That's it for the shark food.
Okay. What is it, Brecky? Tell Mommy.
Hi, house. House.
A house, yep. Whose house?
Hey.
Come on, Wiley. You got food on your floor over there.
House. House.
Another house? Good job. Who lives in that house?
Libby's.
Libby lives in that house? Okay. Now what are you building?
House.
A house still?
House. Happy house.
Yep.
House.
Ooh. Is that house tall or short?
Short.
Short? I don't think so.
House.
Yeah. What color is that house?
Peace. What?
Hmm?
Paper.
Hey, Brecken, who is this on this book right here?
Mouse.
Who?
Mouse.
Thomas? What is Thomas, Brecken?
Pop.
What?
Pop.
Can you sing Mommy a song?
No.
Why not?
Mama.
Can you say, hey, ladies?
Ladies.
Hey, ladies.
Happy. How do you do? Tigers. House. 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 House.
You built a house? It looks just like a house. Look. Is this the chimney over here? What? Here you go. You can have it back.
No. 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 No.
Oh, you gotta add to it?
Dada.
Here, I'll hold it.
No.
More?
More. Dada. More. House. More. House. House. Ha.
Are you done building the house over here?
House. Happy house. Hi house.
That's a good job building a house.
A leaf.
Who is that? Right there.
Daddy.
Oh, right here.
Daddy.
Wiley. Yep. There's Wiley. What's the other dog's name?
Jack.
Yeah, what's his name?
He rock.
He's Wes. Yep.
Hey, hey. Mama.
Thomas, no, that's Wesley.
Hey.
Hey, Brecky, come here, babe.
House.
Hey, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.